Hey guys, welcome back to Faithful Keto Kitchen, where we make keto delicious. So today we're going to make some breakfast cheddar and pepper egg cups. So egg cups are super easy to make, very convenient, good if you're on a keto because you can prep them ahead of time and have them in your refrigerator whenever you want to eat breakfast on the run. Or just for your kids, even if you're not keto, have some in the fridge for your kids so they can pop them in the microwave as well and go ahead and eat without you having to even get out of bed. So let's get started. So what you'll need today are some green, yellow, or red peppers. I like to use these. I'll use bell peppers as well, but I like these ones. They're kind of sweeter than the bell pepper. So I like the little mini peppers. They come in a bag at the store. Super inexpensive because you know I'm always about saving that money. You'll need 6 eggs, half a cup of Asiago cheese, half a cup of, well, we're using today, it can be cheddar, but this time we're going to kick it up some. We're going to use some spicy chipotle cheddar, so yeah. And a 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream. And a little bit of salt and pepper to taste. So, what we want to do, hold on, it's called cheddar and pepper. Don't forget the peppers that are chopped up. Okay, so what we're going to do is first crack our eggs and put them in a bowl. So I really like this recipe. Okay, when that happens, you still get that egg and you get that in the bowl. I'm just saying. So, follow Rosemary's tips. Take out the shell because, you don't want crunchy. Well, you might want some crunch, but you want to add bacon for the crunch. So, let me grab a towel real fast. Hey, just when you cook, this is what happens. So, take your second egg and hit it on the counter ever so gently until you get it cracked open without the shell. So guys, let me know if you've ever made like egg cups. I like to look at them like they seem like they're more of a mini omelet. So when you put them in the muffin pan, you get like 12 of them out of this recipe. And it's super convenient. And even when you make them, you can change up the recipe some. You can add like bacon and cheese instead of the peppers. You can change up your cheeses. Like you can use Parmesan cheese, sharp cheddar cheese, whatever kind of cheese you like. Sometimes I even use goat cheese because it gives that a little bit of a bite. But if you remember, if you do change up the cheeses, some cheeses are a little bit sharper than others or have more saltiness. So like Parmesan will have a little more salt. So kind of adjust your salt and pepper when you do that, okay? And let's see. You know what, guys? You're going to laugh. Because I think I see a shell floating in there somewhere. Let me see. Okay. False alarm. So there's no shell in here. But then again, if it is, he'll let me know later. So get that nice and whipped up, guys. I like to get it whipped up first to loosen up the egg. Then add my heavy whipping cream, the 4th cup heavy whipping cream. That'll give it a nice richness and a little more fat. Because since we're a keto-friendly household and we're on this keto diet, we need some good fats in our system. It helps you stay satiated, which keeps you nice and full, and gives you energy for the day. So want to do that. Let's move that here for a second. I'm just going to salt and pepper to taste. I was maybe about a 1/4 teaspoon. Kind of eyeball it. You don't want too much salt in there because some cheeses, like I said, have more salt in it. And that Asiago cheese, a little more salty. So you want to be not too liberal with the salt. Okay, we're going to add our Asiago cheese. Get all that in there. Get some spicy cheese in there. Give it a little kick. You can even put a little bit of hot sauce in here. I've done that, or a little bit of chipotle peppers. Makes it real good. All depends on your heat level. So we're going to get that nicely blended up. So this recipe, as you can see, is super quick and easy. Takes all about 5 minutes to get it prepped. And takes about 20 minutes to bake in the oven. I like these too. And also, guys, you can actually, once you get done prepping these, pop them in the fridge and put them in an airtight container, and then the next day you can actually take some to work, you know, and pop them in the microwave at work. So it'll be easy, quick breakfast at work, especially when you're in a hurry in the morning, getting ready and on the run. Or you can have them for your kiddos. So in the morning when they want to eat, you can just add maybe a slice of bacon or some sausages on the side. So, or you can even add the meat inside the egg cup. So there you go. Just a little tip. You know, I can give you the tip for the day. There it is. All right, guys. So what we're going to do is take our muffin pan. So with this recipe, you can use a regular muffin pan, of course, but I actually like to use these silicone muffin pans because they don't stick, non-stick, and they pop out easily. All right, so that's very convenient to have. But when you do use these, if you have one, be sure to put it on a baking sheet, because I've made that mistake before, and it's really hard to transfer liquids or anything batter-wise to the oven without spilling it. Plus, too, it won't bake up on the oven, so you need some type of foundation. All right. Also, I use my trusty ice cream scoop. As you guys know, I like to use that to fill up each cavity. So let's do that. All right, guys. Make sure when you fill them up, though, to make sure you get a good amount of the mixture in there with the cheese and the peppers evenly distributed throughout each one. This should fill up each cavity nicely, about a scoopful. Yeah. So guys, let me know though, comment below what type of different omelets that you've made, or if you've ever made egg cups before. So, you know, they're really good in protein, of course, especially when you're doing this ketogenic diet that we love. And let me know in comments if you guys ever made these, not only made these, sorry, but if you guys are on a ketogenic diet. That would be good to know. Well, we got about 3, 6, 10 cups out of this one. So if you add more ingredients, you'll get, like if you add more ingredients, an additional egg, meat to it, you'll get more egg cups for your family. All right, so we got these all filled up. We got about 10 cups, all right? So now we're going to take these egg cups and we're going to put them in the oven, preheat our oven to 350 degrees, bake them for about 20 minutes, check on them, and if you need, you may need a little more, but just make sure you bake them till they're set up, you know, without any loose egg on top, all right? So we're about to bake them right now. Get back to you in a second. Bye. Okay. So our egg cups are out. It's super hot, so be careful, guys, but they fluffed up really nicely. Make sure they're done when you take them out, because sometimes it's a little liquidy. This time it took about 21 minutes, so not the full 22 minutes, but they're perfect. So let's give one a try. So this is, like I said, why I like the silicone pads. See how easily they pop out? Nice and, woo, nice and fluffy. I'm just dropping all kinds of eggs today, I guess. So, yeah, let's give this a try. Let's cut into it. Ooh, oh, that cheese. Look at that. Nice. It's really fluffy, guys, and the heavy whipping cream makes it fluff up more. Oh man, I can smell that cheese and those peppers. Ooh, still hot. Really good. So give these a try. Do it for your next meal prep if you're on keto, or even if you're trying to save time for every morning. Delicious, even nutritious, because eggs are good for you. Ooh, that is really delicious, guys. Let me know if you make this and comment below. And if you like this video, please consider subscribing, like it, and hit that bell thingy so that you'll get notifications every time I upload the next recipe. So this is Facebook Keto Kitchen. See you later. Bye, guys. Blessings. Thanks, good. All right.